Замечательное мероприятие проходит, конечно же, Ночь музеев, и для нас это большая честь выступать на данном мероприятии здесь, в музее Якуба Голоса. Что ж, мы продолжим наш вечер. Немного Beatles. It's been a hard day's night, and I'll be working like a dog. It's been a hard day's night, I should be sleeping like a log. But when I get up to you, I thought the thing that you do will make me feel alright. You know I work all days to get your money, to buy your things, and it's more than just to you say you gotta give me everything. So I ain't ask your mom, 'cause when I get you alone, you know I feel okay. When I'm home, everything seems to be right. When I'm home, feeling it hard to be tired. Yeah, it's been a hard day's night, and I'll be working like a dog. It's been a